Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so this is an update on the Vimeo channel. I have separated the Tai Chi and the Qigong into two different channels. For those of you who are on the Vimeo channel, not for the Qigong, for the Tai Chi, let me know and I can send you a free code to the Tai Chi channel. Just email me with a copy of your PayPal payment. So I know you're on that channel. And those of you who were specifically interested in initiation, instead of giving you a Tai Chi link, I can give you a link to the new Initiation to Hermetics channel, which I've started. And I'll be building these two channels up over the coming months. So you can have one link or the other, whichever one you choose, Initiation or Tai Chi. I'll build each of these channels up to about 500 videos or more, same as the Qigong channel has got that amount of content. So have a look at the Vimeo, decide which one you want, and let me know, and I can send that VIP access code for you so you can get access. The Qigong channel's become too big, and I've had people complaining there's too much information, it's too vast. That's exactly what I wanted, too much information there, so that people are overloaded, not underwhelmed, but overwhelmed. And that's perfect. So I'll keep putting Q&A in relation to Qigong onto the Vimeo channel, so I'll keep posting to it. But in the next few months, I'll be putting a lot of effort into getting the foundation for the initiation course there, all 10 steps. And after that, Q&A. And then for the Tai Chi, I'll be putting in the form, the applications for each of the movements. So it's over 100 applications, about 40 or so intrinsic energies, how to develop them in a Tai Chi context, over 40 push-hand sets, and I'll put it all together for each movement by movement from the form. This will be dependent on training partners. I might have one training partner arriving soon, so I can start recording that. But anyone who's in Thailand, who's trained with me or is interested in Tai Chi, if you want to come and stay at the retreat for a few months and help me do recordings, be a demo partner, you're most welcome to head up here. And hopefully I'll get all this done before the end of the year. Yeah, if you want to come and train and learn all this stuff for free, come hang out in the next few months. You can help make some videos. All right, so hope everyone is doing well with the COVID situation, and take care. Stay happy.